I just hit a flying bat out of the air with my lure. I hit him with my rod, dude. Bro, Asher, what the fuck? I just hit a bat out of the air with my rod when I casted, and it knocked him out, dude. Dude, that's so sad. No shot, it's a bat, bro. Dude, what are the chances that actually happens? That's like 1 in a million, bro. Oh my god, he's still alive. Oh my god. No way, guys, I feel so bad. What the fuck? Dude, I knocked his fucking brains out. No fucking way, bro. That's so sad, bro.
Look, he's a boner, bro. Zoom in on that shit.
Guys, I casted and hit him out of the air. Got him back to the house. I put this thing so he could stick to it and hang upside down. Got him. He's good. Oh!
He's not gonna get off.
Here, show me him. Dude, he looks sick right here. Hold him like just like that.
Yo.
Here, show him again. Dude, wait till you see this. Show him. Point your hand down.
I want to see if he'll fly off.